Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue our journey southbound on Interstate 95 on the morning of Friday, July 5th, 2024, our fifth day on the road. After a night in Jacksonville, we rejoin the highway at around mile marker 344 and head through the final stretch of Duval County. This part of I-95 is lined with commercial developments, office parks, and wooded buffers, typical of Jacksonville's southern outskirts. Traffic remains steady as we make our way farther from the urban core. A few miles in, we reach exit 341 for Florida State Road 152, also known as Bay Meadows Road. The control city here is Daytona Beach. This exit serves residential neighborhoods and corporate campuses, and it also provides access to the former campus of the Florida Coastal School of Law. Founded in 1996, the law school operated for 25 years before closing in 2021 following the loss of accreditation and declining enrollment. While the school is no longer active, its former location is still noted on a green sign a short distance before the exit. Continuing south, we arrive at exit 339, where US Highway 1 crosses the interstate. This interchange also provides access to the Avenues Mall, one of the major retail centers on Jacksonville's south side. Opened in 1990, the mall includes over 100 stores, restaurants, and entertainment options. It's a key shopping destination for the region. At this point, the list of I-95 control cities expands to include St. Augustine, joining Daytona Beach on the overhead signs. A short distance ahead is exit 337, marking I-95's southern connection with the I-295 Beltway. This is the only remaining full beltway along the entire length of I-95 due to the 2024 collapse of the Key Bridge in Baltimore, which rendered I-695 incomplete. From here, drivers can head east toward Jacksonville's beaches or west across the St. Johns River toward Orange Park and beyond via the Buckman Bridge. It's a major bypass route around the city and a vital connector for regional traffic. We reach exit 333 for Florida State Road 9B. Interestingly, it's signed to I-295 Eastern Beltway, even though reaching I-295 from here requires heading north on 9B and then looping back. Somewhat inefficient, especially considering we just passed a direct exit to I-295. Just beyond the ramp, we spot a completely burned out pickup truck abandoned on the shoulder, an unusual and dramatic sight along this otherwise routine drive. We soon cross out of Jacksonville and into St. Johns County. With a population of just over 300,000, St. Johns is one of Florida's fastest growing counties. It's largely suburban and home to a number of large master plan communities. Much of the development here has been fueled by its proximity to both Jacksonville and the Atlantic coast. reach exit 323 for International Golf Parkway. This exit provides access to the World Golf Village, a golf-themed resort community developed in the 1990s. It includes the World Golf Hall of Fame, residential neighborhoods, and 2 golf courses. Although the Hall of Fame is relocating, the area still draws visitors and serves as a centerpiece of the local golf scene. We wrap up this video at mile marker 318, just before the next major interchange. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.